Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete weak saved passwords on Google Chrome using the latest update. If you care about your online security, this is something you definitely don't want to ignore. Over time, Chrome saves your passwords to make logging in faster, but not all saved passwords are strong or secure. Weak passwords can put your accounts at risk, so it's a good idea to review and remove them regularly. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your device. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This will open the main menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, find and tap on Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores and manages all your saved login details. Now scroll down until you see the Checkup option and tap on it. Chrome will automatically scan your saved passwords and highlight any security issues, including weak passwords. After the scan is complete, tap on Weak Passwords. Here, you'll see a list of accounts that are using passwords that aren't strong enough. Go through the list and find the website or account you want to clean up. Once you find it, tap on the three dots next to that entry. A small menu will appear. Tap on Delete Password and then confirm your choice. And that's it. The weak password is now removed from your saved list. It's a good habit to repeat this process every once in a while and replace weak passwords with stronger ones.